My name is Michelle Handig. Ang didiscuss ko ngayon ay Chapter 5, Python Logic, Bit, and List Operations. Computer logic refers to the way instructions are instructed to perform operations and decisions. It involves using conditional statements like if, elif, and else to execute different blocks of code based on certain conditions. Additional loops such as for, while, and excuse and while are used for repetitive tasks. This code snippet demonstrates the use of an if-else statement to check the value of x and print a corresponding message. It also uses a for loop to iterate through the numbers 0, 2, 4, and print each one. Next, the disjunction is represented by logical operator. The code checks if either x or y is greater than 0, and if at least one of them is, it executes the corresponding block. The OR operator connect the two condition in the expression. For example, x equals 10, y equals 5. Using or for disjunction if x greater than 0 or y greater than 0. Print at least one of x or y is positive. Else prints both x and y are non-positive. Next, the logical operators are used to perform logical operation on Boolean values. These operators are often used in conditional statement. If, else, and while working with Boolean expression to control the flow of a program based on certain condition. The three main logical operators are: number 1, AND. The AND returns true if both operands are true. Exactly, that's correct. AND operator evaluates to true only when both operands are true. If at least one operand is false, the entire expression evaluates to false. Number 2, OR returns true if at least one operand is true. Absolutely, that's right. The OR operator in programming and logic returns true if at least one of the operand is true. If both operands are false, then the entire expression evaluates to false. Number 3, NOT returns the opposite Boolean value of the operand. The NOT operator is a unary operator that negates the Boolean value of its operand. If operand is not true, if operand is true, not will make it false. And if the operand is false, not will make true. It's a way to invert the logical value. Next, the conjunction logical end of two proposition A and B result in a true value only when both A and B are true. In terms of truth table, then set of possible values of arguments A and B and the corresponding values of the conjunction and A and B look like this. T represent true, F represent false. Each row corresponds a combinating of truth values for proposition A and B, and the last column represents the result of the conjunction operation A and B for each combination. The conjunction is true when the both A and B are true. Otherwise, it evaluates to false. Next, the conjunction logical or operator is represented by the word or. It's a binary operator with a lower priority than the logical and operator and. The truth values for the disjunction operator are as follows. T represent true, F represents false. The conjunction typically denoted as A and B is true only when both preposition A and B are true. If either A or B or both is false, then the conjunction evaluates to false. The logical negation operation is represented by the word not. It is a unary operator that performs logical negations. Its operation is straightforward. It turns truth into falsehood and falsehood into truth. Next, bitwise operators are used to perform operations at the bit level. These operators work with the binary representation of integers. The main bitwise operators are number 1, bitwise and. Set each bit to 1 if both are 1. For example, 5 and 3 result in 1 because in binary 101 and 011 equals 001. Number 2, bitwise or or set each bit to 1 if at least one of the corresponding bit is 1. For example, 5 or 3 result in 7. 5 or 3 result in 7 because in binary 101 or 011 equals 111. Next, number 3, bitwise not inverts the bits. For example, 101 equals 11, 11, 10, 11. Number 4, bitwise XOR is a binary operation that results in a 1 when the corresponding bits of two operand different. For example, 5 XOR 3 result in 6 because in binary 101 XOR 011 equals 110.